Thank you. Alright. Let's head to, this little treehouse place. No, it's not Tinsel Avenue, it's a Quagmire, if I'm right. Yep, the Quagmire. Giggity giggity you! Sorry. Every time I hear a Quagmire,
Crooked cops and their phony roadblocks. Classic.
Every time I think of the word Quagmire, the first thing that comes to mind is that insane perv from Family Guy. Come on. Ooh!
Stop right now!
There we go. Ooh! Jesus Christ! Hey! Bad! Ow! You little bastard! There we go. Woo!
Better stick to the cage trail, wherever it leads.
Alright, so apparently shrews, I guess they're just a high thing for, you know, selling slaves, basically. Small and convenient, I guess. Nobody likes to see shrews as the common folk. We go? No. Where can we go? Ah, there we go. Oh!
This is the police!
You are no police. Give me a break. Let's put on. No, bad. Ooh! Get out of here. Get out of here. Alright. Do I hear whining? Oh yeah, that's why. So that's why the little dog. Bad. Okay. All good. Bada bing, bada boo. Bada bing, bada boo. Okay. Hold your nose and cross through the corner. Oh god. I feel like people don't come out of the water. So
Can't see Jack. Hope they have the same problem.
Oh, I hear them. There they are. Oh God! I'm sorry! I didn't mean for that! You guys were... You know, it's self-defense. Everything's good. Everything's fine. Don't worry. Be happy. Oh! Ow! I'll do it. Alright, we're doing good. Oh, dang. Oh, God! Oh, my God! Oh, God! Oh! Oh, come on. Don't be shy. There we go. Of course! It's Colts. Why would it be Colts? Who else but Colts? An Old Mouseburg issue, a touring edition. It dives into the history of the city formerly known as Lemonburg, before its annexation of United Nest of the New World. First sight an economic crisis. The city, largely made up of old war migrants, decided to waive its automatically and allegedly sold itself to the UNW for a tanker of cold fondue. It was probably renamed to Dear Mousley and set about providing its worth. The resident mice packed up and returned to the old war, and frankly, good riddance. Ugh, good riddance. Oh dear.
Will-o-wisps are working overtime today.
You can say that again. Well, we got a key. Don't know where that's gonna lead. Anything else? Oh! Hang on. There we go. Let's get out of here. Before more crooks come out of the blue. Or should I say, the gray. The gray and white. Black and white and gray. Alright. There we go. How do we... Oh. Never mind.
Ah, what a cozy little settlement.
I gotta be cozy for long. Oh! Ah, burn! Oh! Get out of here! There we go. There we go. Took a minute, but we did it. How's that going? Oh! Oh!
Looks like these cheeselanders missed the memo on quitting.
You don't say. I don't think they know the idea of quitting. If they're going against someone like us. Oh! Of course, another freaking five. Nope.
Tracking waypoint. Looks like I'm on the right set.
Come on, get out of the sky. There we go. Oh, no. We're good. Okay. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I was kind of surprised, though. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know where they're coming from to begin with. So good. Cheese. Oh, so fucking good. Cheese, money, dynamite. Alright, I think we're ready to save and move on. Bing bong! Ooh! Oh!
Bubble, boil in. Definitely trouble.
Sit down. Oh! Oh!
I'm melting.
Oh god. These references are gonna be into me. Oh, of course it's you! Pure Malfate is real. Don't know what that is. Notes. What's up with you?
Well, if it ain't mon petit helpful cheese wedge, done tumble back on a Destiny's lazy Susan, have ya?
Lady, I inhaled so much bog stink, I barely remember my own name.
Maybe I ought to put my cauldron off the double.
This place, it ain't some regular shack, is it?
It used to be, Shell. Some 40 years back belonged to a little shrewd lady, one of them office folk tired of punching clocks. Built this place with her own two paws. Live off the land, fed the critters, kept bug off all that questionable cheese.
Let me guess. Is it you?
Some say she was a real witch. But
What?
the same company she ran from bought out the whole area. Booted her out. Since then, This place been home to all kind of shady folk. Cheese-leggers, them scientist types, magicians.
Ooh, magicians. You know, hang on. Magicians, you said.
Par for the course with this case.
Anything that can go just right, just might. But it worked the other way, too. Witches, magicians, scientists, folk like that. They don't leave a place untouched. Juju lingers, no? And whatever went down in that old uphill resort a fortnight ago...
Fortnite!
Well, you can see for
sorry.
yourself.
Speaking of which, I think you might be one yourself, lady.
What resort?
All in due time, Cheryl.
All right. I got a trail to follow and it's getting cold. So how do I get out of here?
Oh, that part's easy. You need the key of diamonds.
The what?
Just the key of diamonds?
That and a little creativity. But I seen you work, Cheryl. You'll do just fine.
One thing before you go. That little shrew lady you've been talking about. That you?
Oh, bog forbid, baby. I might look old, but I'm much, much, much older.
So you're a spirit then. You're definitely a spirit then. Okay, so I'm surprised. I was wrong. Okay, she's not the old lady. Okay, well, I guess we just gotta keep going.
It's bigger on the inside.
Doctor Who? There we go. Anyone else? Oh, yep. Ow! Little bastards. So good. So scrumptious. Ow! Oh! Now do it. What's that? My suit. Okay, I don't need all that. Well, I definitely need this. I could go for some healing, but I don't really want to eat all my cheddar yet. There we go. So good. Oh, hello. Money. Yeah. How interesting. Okay. Where do we... There we go. Key of diamonds. That's where... Oh god, he's... Oh, he just got evaporated. Okay, I don't even know what a key of diamonds is. I'm just assuming it's a... Oh. Dark room key. Maybe it's a key with a diamond shape? I don't know. Oh, a lot of ammo and armor. Something's gonna happen. Gabagoo! Oh, that's a lot of you. Hey. Come on. Thank you. I'll do it. Dining room key. There we go. Don't need that. Anyone here? Freddy Fazbear? Oh god. Maybe not Freddy Fazbear, but definitely some weeping angels. I wonder. Nope, okay. I just imagined they all started moving. Oh god. Dining room key, okay. That definitely was not, wait a minute. That was definitely not facing me. That was facing the other way. Oh god. Once I get done with this, I'm sure it's gonna be facing at me. Oh! That was that there always? Oh my god. Yeah, you guys can stay there. Okay. We're not gonna talk about that. Probably for the best. Any more cult Yep. The cast. Any more? No. Well, good. So good. Find a way out. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh. Okay, hang on.
No sight.
No, stay down. Don't even try it. There we go. Much better. Now where do we go? Another freaking van. Okay.
Oh, this feels wicked in about 12 different ways.
Be more a little bit specific, please. Why is it? Oh god. Oh! Like bombs! Yeah, like that. Look at it, like bombs! I'm burning! Maybe I should probably switch to the Tommy gun. That's not a Tommy gun. Any more? Ah! Hello. Uh-oh. Oh, where are they? I hear them. Ah, there they are. Ooh! There we go. That'll do it. The key of diamonds?
Diamond keys are forever mine.
Mine. Yours? No.
And she's gone again.
Oh, this is trippy. I don't like it. I don't like how trippy it is. What's with this sheet up? A-C-E-G. A-C-E-G. I have not done my knowledge of instruments is long gone.
They just keep making more of you, huh?
Alright, we can fix that. Hey, think fast! Oh god! He just... Come on! Fight back! Fight back! Yep, that'll do it. Okay. Oh! Yep. Come on. There we go. And look, ammo! I can go for some ammo. I guess not. Oh, nope, there we go. Alright, let's... Nuthouse.
So that's where the crooked cops were ferrying the shrews. The uphill resort. Or as city mice like to call it, a good old nut house. Place has been locked down tight ever since that, incident 20 years ago. Getting in's gonna take some finesse.
You want me to fill in what that is, Jackie boy? Is that okay? Never mind. I thought it was saying like radioactive shit. Okay, one more place to go before we head back to the building, and that's Tinsel Avenue, right up here. Western backlot. Oh boy, what's it's okay.
Follow the money, they always said. This was where the hitman collected his pay, and someone was signing the checks. I could bet my last dime his bookkeeper knew the whole story. Well, film said props, film said rules.
Oh! We got achievement. Oh! Yeah. Ooh! Oh my god, it's playing the fucking... Okay. Oh! That hurt. Oh god.
Party over everything.
Where does a guy who cooks the books go to unwind?
Oh. Oh, hang on. Oh. This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Oh, that's the stuff.
Alright.
I hear they call him bond. Municipal bond. Extremely effective.
Get him out of the way. There we go. Oh well! Woo! I still enjoy how creative this. It sticks to like the old cartoon like vibe. I love it. Alright, that was nice. I'll take some of that. Are you? Yeah, I can't. I forgot already. This is like a film set. Hey, buddy.
So, this where you wise guys like to kill time? Maybe kill other things too?
Oh, wrong place. Wrong guy, Stronzo. I ain't sure what you...
Buddy, I'm running low on time and even lower on patience. How this ends depends on how much you really believe in that hush-hush mob stuff.
Is that like a pizza topping?
Well, ain't you a comedian? Now, I know this place is your crew's little halfway house for business, and I know you're the guy signing the checks.
How do you find out?
Just now, when you confirmed it. Now, since numbers are your business, you must know where the cash flows to. Like, say, paying some starlets, keeping them entertained, keeping them quiet. And if they don't stay quiet, I hear that's another expense. Am I warm?
I'd never...
Look, I ain't here to audit your sins. I just want the truth about Betty Lynch. Help me close this case, and maybe I keep my attention on that instead of your, other expenses.
You ain't getting it. This thing goes deep. If they found out I talked...
Oh, he really wants to play this fucking game. He really does.
No, forget about it. I'm out of here.
Yeah, I'm sure that... Hey, hold on. Ah, hell.
Hey, there he is! Hey, you'll... Need spooky. Oh, great. Okay. Oh, speak of the devil. Hello.
Get
Hey.
lost. I ain't spilling nothing. Capiche?
So loyal of you, idiot. Too bad it's gonna get you killed.
Oh! That's true. That's very true.
Somehow I always end up talking to the guy running away instead of running into the guy ready to talk.
Well, listen, dumb people do dumb shit. And they think like they're smart enough to run away from, you know, the authorities like this. So, I mean, what do you expect? Dumb people gotta do dumb shit. Like me, I do dumb shit all the time. Nope, can't jump over that. Okay, guess we gotta go this way. Ooh, there's a... Oh, hello. Well, aren't you a Cypher Sorai? Just barely. Okay, I tried. Baba Goo? Baba Goo? Baba Goo! Huh, can we? Ah! Alright, oh, this is an easy one. Nice. Ooh. No, hang on. Ah, there we go. Alright, let's rotate this again. Bing bong. One more. Come on, anyone else? There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Oh, hang on. Oh, never mind. I'm good on ammo. Oh my god, how far is this?
My tailbone's filing a complaint.
Anyone else wants to cause some shit? No? Okay. Ooh.
Getting too old for this Shropshire Blue.
But can you before you leave? I don't want to hear it. Okay. Oh, this is where little baby dumb bitch boy went. Oh! Oh! Where's that? I heard him. Now do it. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to make me lose my time and my patience? Because you lot are already on the case for that.
The hell do you want from me, Cancel? I just crunched numbers.
Oh, and running like hell is just for your figure, huh?
Okay. Okay.
Why,
Hey, so hot.
There we go. Anyone else? Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, that was it. Never mind, I thought there'd be more. Oh. There we go. Are we moving? No, I thought we were. That is. Any other? Oh, no, it's just moving. Okay. Alright.
Where did he go?
That way?
Thanks, kid. And nice threads.
I
What?
Oh.
What? Don't just me. What? You know what? Whatever. Duke A.M. Oh. Ew. Ew. Like.
Now I know what a TV dinner feels like.
Oh god. Okay. Can I not go here? No, I can't. I have to.
If that ain't drama, I don't know what is.
I don't even know what I grabbed. I just knew it was blocking my way.
Please. They see me talking to a gumshoe. I'm a dead man.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
Oh, come here. There we go. Come on. Hey, others. Oh, yep, I forgot they drop points when they fall. Oh, God. Come on. Anyone else? Alright. There we go. I don't know why this guy's running. It's not going to help him. I honestly won't lie. When I saw that extra, I thought that was just something to
I'm gonna go get the papers. Get the papers.
Oof. Guess that's one way to face the music.
I won't lie. I thought I could just break the music, break the glass. I don't know why I said that. Oh, hello. Funny how things... A half-torn letter that points out more than a few names. Probably more than one case. Funny things that work out. A little curd-shaped headache got sort of thinks to that uppity lady. Shame she doesn't know when to quit. Grab some cash from the tinsel. Stash and have you know who put this new problem to bed. Wrong way on a one-way track. Runaway train never coming back. Should be hard to find. Huh.
Runaway train never going back. Not very poetic, is it?
Nope.
That's a drop spot. If the books are there, this could be my lucky break. But that other part of the letter gives me conniptions.
Oh, well, I'm proud of that little thing I did there with the throwing the barrel and shooting it. I'm proud of that, I won't lie. Ah! Okay, maybe I should have brought it. Ooh, cheese. Ooh, cheese. Patrick, don't eat that. Mmm, cheesy. Okay.
Whose bright idea was it to turn that mess into a movie?
Where do we... Huh. Okay. Oh, hang on. Hello. Ow! I'm burning!
Spidey's kill count drawbridge is now in motion. Proceed with the blood.
Okay. It's supposed to be some kind of foreign film.
Okay, work. There we go. Yeah, mocking me in the middle of a gunfight is a smart thing to do. There we go. Oh, hi. Oh, no, I mean, ah! I meant to pull out the shotgun, not that. But, you know, it worked. It worked out. No tree yet. Of course. That's a wall. Come on. Go down. Thank you. Money! Anything else? It goes back over. Keep her going. TNT. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Where did this good for nothing bookworm go to?
Well, what do we got here?
Money. And a key!
For crying out loud.
Ah! That's a train! Ah! Oh! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Oh!
All right. Lesson learned. Just don't follow the damn train.
How about we don't stand on our tracks? That sounds a lot better. Okay, here we go. You. Oh, hello. Huh. There's tons of likely useful intel here, but the real attention grabber is the underlying item dated just a month back. One dead actress delivered by Mousetrap Inc.
16 tons of blue cheese, some fancy Spike D home gadgets, and... oh, look at that. One dead actress. Hell of a shopping list. And one hell of a smoking gun. I had the whole ugly picture. Now I just had to frame it real nice for that dame, without losing my head.
Well, I think we know what the actress is, huh? Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, huh? Alright, I think there's one thing left to do is head back to the, office, put down what we know. Scream! Okay.
All right, time to have it out with that damn fine woman.
That damn fine woman right here. Vivian McCarthy.
So, Mr. Pepper, did you find the culprit?
Oh, I would say I did.
Well, don't leave a girl in suspense.
Turns out it wasn't Kurd after all.
What? Oh. Damn. Such a shame he died.
Yeah, a real shame. Thing is, something hasn't been adding up lately. Ever since I paid a visit to Kurd's mansion, to be precise. So I find the kid, right? Next thing I know, I'm neck deep in cultists, the BMP, and the mob, with a cherry on top. Then, right in the middle of that mess, Kurd dies in an accident at the secret show.
Yes, that was quite unexpected. Oh,
Oh. Why does it do that? I hit A once. It just goes over like a...
Yeah, and while the mob may have done Betty in, because it was the mob, or their militant arm, it was the contents of their ledgers that connected the dots. With a note about some Stuck-up dame drowning in perfume and death warrants.
Ooh, I wonder who, huh?
And no amount of perfume can cover up the rot beneath. Right, Viv?
Oh, you wound me, Mr. Pepe. But let's not be rash. Perhaps we can come to some kind of, agreement?
Sure. You in cuffs behind bars for killing Miles Curd. Grade A scumbag he might have been. He didn't kill Betty.
Tisk tisk. You're no fun, Jack. But, well, I got places to be, sunny countries to escape to. Ta-ta.
Oh, you.
Wait, what?
Yeah, what?
Damn, that fine woman. Where did she go? Where would a failed, vindictive starlet go?
Not to mention, you're about to get yourself tested, Jack. You got kissed by a woman like her, she'll probably give you some diseases and some shit. Tam, I got some stuff to talk to you.
Hey, Jack. So?
Simmer down, Sparkplug. I got your poster.
Yay, effing A! Now, Jack, if you were my papa, I'd plan a smooch right on your cheek. With a hug.
Just don't ask how I got it.
Tinker's honor. Cross my tail and hope to die.
Well, you're a good kid. I can't complain. Okay, we have 8. What should we get? Increases max ammo and projectile. Maybe. Ooh. Oh. So many good options. Oh. Let's go for the, Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now that's what I call a gun right there. Alright, now time for the final bit. I fucking knew it. I'm telling you now, I fucking knew. I knew it's gonna be Vivian was part of that. It's always them in like old-timey like detective shows and shit like that, black and white. It's always the broad and perfume and all sexy and shit. Oh, I fucking knew it. That dirty rat was in it. Let's put these up here. The board is already almost filled up.
Of course. The old nut house's crest. Ain't the sanest spot on the map, but I got that card and just enough crazy to get in.
Put these up. The mob ledger. Beautiful, dangerous, and on the run. Where does the Vivian? I don't know. It's a...
Vivian's back at Tinsel's, no doubt. That grudge is gonna be the end of her. They're filth. Yeah. Just not the trigger-happy kind.
And the bookkeeper letter.
See...
Well, that's all we got for now. That board's making it look like I have less. I know for a fact I have more than that. Alright, it looks like we gotta talk to Tam again. Let's go do that real quick. Tam. Bang. Alright, Tammy, what's up?
Any grand plans, Jack?
I don't know. My brain's running on fumes. If this keeps up, I might just check myself into the loony bin.
Oh, good.
What?
What do you mean good?
What?
I ain't crazy, you know.
Oh, I know, Jack, I know. It's just that, I heard from a friend who heard from a friend that there's this, asylum for those impaired in some ways. And apparently, a lot of celebs throw their wildest parties there, you know, like some real freak-offs.
A party at asylum. You lost me.
My other friend says it's all BS, though, so I need proof. That's where you come in.
Tammy.
No, listen, Jack. Word is, this whole loony business is a scam. a front for the real tinsel deal. If you ever make it there, snap a photo and bring it to me. I'll whip up something extra in return. Deal?
Yeah, sure.
You better be something worth it, buddy. That's all I gotta say, Tammy. You gotta make it worth my while. We have a loose broad on the case, and God, who knows what. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get going. We got Two-Face the Assassin, a loose broad, and other shit going on. That's the Looney Asylum. That's back in Tinsel. Well, let's go ahead and get moving. Almost there. Hang on, we're nearly there. Here we are. Curdville's Nut House.